Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineers. Today I will show you how you can mint your Twitter nickname totally for free. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And now let's just jump straight into our video. So today we will use Unstoppable Domain's new campaign, as you can see here, to get a free Web3 domain that matches your Twitter handle. All you have to do to mint your domain is to open this website, and as always you will find all the links in the description box below of this video. Then click on Verify and Authorize App. As you can see, it says your Twitter X account is verified. This Web3 domain is available only to you because this is our Twitter. Now normally you can see that it costs $20, but for a limited time it is free. And as you can see, it says the offer expires in 30 minutes. So just verify your Twitter and get your free domain as fast as possible. So click on Get Free Domain after you complete all of these steps. And as you can see, it says congrats, coinengineers.nft is yours forever. You can also choose a different name with the prices starting from $2. Type down the name you'd like to purchase and then buy if you want. You can also share it on your Twitter account, but that was all you have to do. As I said, let's repeat the process. All you need to do is to open this website. You will find the link in the description box below of this video. Log in with your Twitter account to verify, and that's it. As simple as that. You will get your domain totally for free. But if you come across any problems or have any extra questions, you can ask us in the comments down below, or also on our Telegram community's global channel. Again, you can find the links of in the description box below of this video. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I will see you guys in our next videos.